Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Diof. I got another wig review for you guys. I really feel like y'all gonna love this wig. It is super affordable and it's fire. So this hair is from Julia's Hair. It's a highlight ombre straight lace front wig, invisible pre-plucked baby hairs, and it's 150 density and 24 inches, and it is the most beautiful wig I've ever received. So right here you just see me put foundation on the lace so that the lace can be my shade when it's time for me to glue it down. I'm doing my temporary glue. I got my Got2b spray, and I'm just gonna blow dry that down so it could temporarily glue. So I'm just gonna get my wax stick. I got this wax stick from the beauty supply store for only $10. This wax stick helps me lay down the baby hairs and the flyaways and whatever it needs to be laid down and flat down. So you're gonna get your hot comb after you use your wax stick, and you're just gonna go over that a few times so that that can be flat down too. So guys, I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace. It was so hard. Like when I tell you this temporary glue feels like I glued the whole wig down and did the whole process, you wouldn't believe me. Like it was so hard to cut this lace off because it was already glued down to my forehead. So I just got some alcohol, put it on a paper towel, and I'm just wiping off all the dry glue and whatever's left on my forehead so we can lay our baby hairs. So I got some concealer so that my part can be more visible. Game changer. So now we just gonna lay our baby hairs. Guys, this looks so natural. Like, wow. So I just want to show you guys how this hair moves. Like soon as it came out the box, like it just moves. It's not stiff, it don't shred. This is really good hair, and it's colored and it's ombre. This shout out Julia Hair because I was baffled. So guys, I did my makeup and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this installation. But big shout out to Julia Hair. Bye guys.